ERC, quality service since 1972, repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday morning, the 6th of July. James Spann here, and we've still got a pretty moist air mass across the state this morning, but it looks like the better chances for showers and storms will move down to South Alabama by tomorrow. Let's look out the window this morning. We'll start with the Jasper Sky Cam. Little rain falling up in Walker County early this morning. From Tuscaloosa, that is the view coming from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse looking northwest. And from Birmingham, that's looking south from the top of the Daniel Building on 20th Street downtown. Pretty moist air mass continues along and south of Interstate 40. To the north, the air is noticeably drier, and the boundary is slowly sagging to the south. And accordingly, with the boundary up there, we'll maintain the chance of a few showers and storms today, although at the moment, things are pretty quiet. That's the 5 o'clock radar. A little batch of showers through the northern and northeast part of Birmingham, and scattered about down to the south, but nothing too heavy out there this morning. In terms of severe weather, there's not a formal risk here today. The slight risk area is out there from New Mexico and West Texas up to the plains of Colorado and Kansas, and also across a large part of Montana. And we'll see if we can get any daytime heating involved here, and a lot of boundaries left over from yesterday. And as you know, in the summertime, we rarely have tornadoes here or really big severe weather problems. The wet microburst are the main issues. The really most active weather across the southeast this morning is down in the southeastern corner of the state, down around Dothan. Big storms there, back over into South Georgia. And the rain expected for the next 5 days, heaviest just offshore from the coast of Louisiana over into north and central Florida. And across Alabama, the amounts taper off from north to south with the heavier totals down south near the Gulf Coast. Look at modeling here. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today. No really strong ridge. One thing, heat's not going to be a problem with clouds and showers. We're expecting a high only in the 80s today, much like yesterday. And there's a look at the surface chart. You can see the most numerous showers and storms today should be really along and south of US 278, or really south of the Tennessee Valley. And as that surface boundary drops south, and if we can see a bit of sunshine this morning, could be some pretty healthy storms later today. We'll watch those, and hopefully we'll pick up some more rain. Yesterday, some folks had over 2 inches. Some folks had nothing. You know how that goes. But hopefully for the ones that got nothing, they'll see some today. Now, tomorrow, the boundary is down there near Montgomery, or US 80, so we think the better chance of showers and storms will be over South Alabama. The northern counties of the state should be dry. Pretty much the same deal on Wednesday. And, of course, we warm right back up. We'll be up in the low 90s. Thursday, the moisture tries to creep back in here. We might want to look at mentioning the risk of a shower Thursday afternoon. The better chance is still from Birmingham on south. And then Friday, we'll have to watch that old 594 ring off to the west. That thing is expanding. That's a heat ridge. And down at the surface, we're on the periphery of that thing. And, again, you can still see the better opportunity for showers and storms should be south of Birmingham. What about the weekend? There's a look at Saturday. Pretty much the same deal. I think you better mention some risk of a shower or storm, no doubt about that. But the farther north you go, the fewer they become. And on Sunday, that looks pretty dry. And then Monday of next week, the 594 ring is gone, but still we've got the 588 ridge over the entire southern U.S. The westerlies are up north, and that looks pretty standard for summertime. We'll go out there to the end of the forecast on the 21st of July. Where's that 594 heat? Well, it's still west of here, thank goodness. Out there over Colorado, New Mexico, and parts of West Texas. And down below that looks pretty dry. And hey, tropical storm showing up east of the Bahamas. And we all know the GFS is famous for putting out bogus systems far in advance, but, it's getting to be that time of the year, so we'll keep an eye on trends out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so this afternoon. And, of course, if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.